Hello everyone. I hope you all are excited to learn how to convert speech to text using Python. So without wasting time, we are going to implement this. So before going to the process, you should have internet connection in your system. Okay? So now we will open the command prompt. I am writing cmd and opening command prompt. Now you have to write the command for installing speech recognition module as pip install speech recognition and enter. It will take some time for installing as I have already installed this module, so it will show already satisfied. Wait, see, my speech recognition module is already installed. That's why it is showing the message requirement already satisfied. After that, you have to install the PyAudio. So pip install PyAudio and then enter. This module also I have installed, so it will saying requirement already satisfied. Okay, now I will open my Jupyter notebook. See, in this program, firstly we have to import speech recognition module as alias name sr. After that, we will using the recognizer class. All of the magic in speech recognition happen with this class. The primary purpose of a recognizer instance is of course to recognize speech. After that, we are using the microphone as source, and then we are printing speak now, which show that you have to speak something, and we are taking the audio in the audio variable, and after that, we are invoking the function recognize Google. It recognizes any speech in the audio depending on your internet connection speed. You have to wait several seconds before seeing the result. See, I am going to run this program. So after running, I will say something. Okay? Hello. See, hello is printed here. Okay? Thank you for watching. Also subscribe our channel